Yo, 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 yo. We are squeezing. We are squeezing. Now, we had a little bit. We don't want this one. Let's go ahead and get back to AMC. So, let me just move some things. Let me get something out of the way. I'm seeing Mo. This must surely be the start. Will be the long weekend. Take away some of the momentum. I'm thinking, yeah, we still have tomorrow. I think we're just going to continue with this. I think FOMO is really going to set in. And I think people are going to, jump on the bandwagon while they can, because you got to realize, in the scheme of things, this isn't a crazy price for a stock. So if you see a stock moving this much, you're going to assume that that's, just going to continue. I have a bunch of not a bunch, 5 call options. And still, I'm holding on to my 760 shares. I thought about setting a stop loss for like a millisecond, and I'm like, yo, I think, I don't know where this can go. Yeah, this is, let me look at the volume real quick. All right, looks like we recovered from this, what do you call it? This fallout right here at 25.16. And now we are back up at 26.40. So, I mean, I actually put this into, hold on one second. Too much crap going on around me. I put this into Motive Wave, and Motive Wave, let's take a look. I was trying to do some day trading before, but it's just not, I can't find anything else with momentum that I want to trade. Hold on one second. I'm just getting my system specs up. Wow, 100% load. Okay, so if I go to AMC over in Motive Wave and check out what the forecast is on the Elliott Wave, AMC. It looked prettier a minute ago. Oh, there we go. So let's just pull this up to the corners. I can't, for some reason, I can't stretch it out. I gotta do it like this right now. So this is what it's saying. This right here is what it's saying. It's saying that we, before this time, should see ourselves back or up at 30.61. So this will be invalidated once we break this trend line. This will be invalidated, and then hopefully we'll get back to the B at 28. But, I mean, this is what it's looking like. I have to learn how to use this better. There's a way to connect these. Let's see. Use all available data. Underlay. Da-da-da-da-da. I want to see the lines. All right, whatever. We'll imagine them. So this is, I mean, look, we're coming back up. Look at this. MACD coming back up. Stochastic on its way up. Midline. RSI divergence on its way back up. Directional trend index on its way back up. I was trying to set up some bots today through Motive Wave, but it was just too distracting with the squeeze happening to finish it. This is crazy. Do I have to have these this size? All right, well, I'll mess with all this crap at some point. So this is still, I mean, there's a possibility to drop down this low, but we're going to this from, where are we? Where's our B? So here's our C. This is our big C. There has to be a big B somewhere. Right there. So this is a monster wave from 2029 to 30.66. So that's what we're looking for. Yeah, this is absolutely crazy. I honestly, I didn't even want to stream today. So many people are streaming right now, but my girlfriend even said it. She's like, why aren't you streaming right now? And I was like, well, I just kind of wanted to concentrate on making money and watch AMC and GameStop from the side. Hold on one second. I got my, oh, I want those Apple glasses. I keep seeing the thing for them. I want those things. If I could put my lenses in them, that'd be sweet. Anyway, So I'm just checking out my emails. Now live on your channel. Yeah, so we are squeezing. What is this? Your invitation to something. My bill is ready. Oh, go fuck yourself. All right, so, all right, it looks like we closed that one out. We need to break this trend line, and we'll be up to our 3 in the smaller wave, hopefully finishing out this C. And then hopefully just on our way back up, we'll probably have a little bit of a retrace, and then boop, boop, boop. That's just kind of how it goes. This is so nuts, I can't even look at it. We hit a high. Hold on, I don't have enough crap on around me. Let me get my... Did we hit 30? I think we hit 30. Hold on, I got too much crap open on my iPad. Okay, get out of there, get out of there. Get out of there. Alright, let's open that up. Please check the video resolution. Yeah, so any questions? Anybody has any questions, wants to know anything, just go ahead and throw that in the chat. I'm going to go ahead and share this to Twitter real quick. I'd like to get some more people in on the stream. I was just watching Matt Kors. He's got about 40,000 people watching him right now, and all he's doing is watching a chart and talking a little bit. So I was hoping that maybe I can get a few people and maybe build up those watch hours. But it is murdering it. Anyway, so this is our target right now is going to be about 30.25. Let me just move this to the side. Put this big screen, minimize. And I'm going to put our target kind of like my, I like my super indicator chart right here. It just takes a little while for it to move. Okay, so look at how accurate the super trend is. Boom, buy, boom, sell, boom, buy, boom, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. It's beautiful. So I'm just trying to get my my Motive Wave bot to work with it right now. If you're wondering what any of these indicators are, these white lines are your Keltner channels. They're actually a lot more favorable on your higher time frames. Hold on, let me get... Oh, Thinkorswim with a damn fingerprint. Jesus Christ, I am up $15,000 on AMC right now. It's so hard to not do anything about it, but you know what? It's not, though, because I saw this baby hit 29.76 on Ameritrade. And let's see what this thing says. 29.76, yeah. So we're at 29.76 on Ameritrade. I got it on the 1 second chart just because that's more exciting. Let me see if maybe a 30 second is as exciting. No. It gives you a little bit more idea. Like it looks more like a chart. It's way neater. Yeah. I like the 1 second. It gives you like that action-packed feeling. Buy, sell, buy, sell. I could probably get rid of those. I don't want anything saying sell on my AMC chart right now. I'm telling you, this bitch is going to 50 to 100, 50, maybe 100, maybe more. Fucking trade open right now? Oh, I'm just looking at my best buy position. Because it's like profit and loss for this position is $68. I was like, what? But I'm really 208 down. It's just finally, BlackBerry's finally doing something. And it's really weird because I'm at 916. We're at 975, and somehow 916 is my market price. I guess it's because I sold off some, but that's okay. I gotta be honest. I really wasn't planning on doing this, but you just got to. This is like history right now. All right, AMC squeezing. All right, put that on Facebook. Blah 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 blah. All right, whatever. X out of that crap. All right, all right. Okay, so what do we got? Sorry, 33.50. Oh, 36 was the all-time high a year ago. After we break that, truly uncharted territory. Sorry, 33.51 from March 30. Yeah, well, don't worry about that far back. Only got the 100 shares myself this time around. I'm swinging for the fences. Go for it. Are you like positive on all your trades right now? I know you were having some issues with some other things. If you want to lay down the story in the chat, just to let me know, because I want to know how you're, you know, how it's going for you. Let me just take a look to the right. Wow, Bitcoin's holding at 39 too. Ethereum having some trouble getting over 28. We're still rolling up. You're gonna start seeing these like crazy. I think this might be all that's on my screen for the entire. I almost want to just close out the. Yeah, we'll leave this other stuff up. But this is in-frickin-sane. In-frickin-sane. Anything in green is a position I have right now. Don't talk shit about my positions. What's up with the rights offering? I've had this 422RGT019 on my frickin' Ameritrade for a week. You know, speaking of HCMC, if you got to HCMC, I just want you to know that with your direct offering, yeah, they're giving you 25% off, but it's $36 on Ameritrade to exercise it. Oh shit, we broke 27. We are back on our way. I almost want to throw like a trend line or something in here, or like a fib. I mean, we could just look at this if we want to see all that stuff. Maybe I'll bang back on some of these. It is so messy. We'll bang back on Super Trend, on the Keltner channel. VPVR will give on. I like all these trend lines. I really do. Maybe we'll get rid of a couple. Oh, wait, is that a double? Nah, they're doing their own trend lines. All right, I'm going to leave that because it gives you a really good idea. All right, well, it looks like we're coming into a rising wedge. Oh, I don't want to see that. What is that from? That's from Tories, I bet. You get that short crap out of here. I don't want to see that. Where are you? Where are you? Display offset lines. Where the hell is it? Hold on. Is it this one? It is this one. Alright, whatever. I'm just going to close that out. Just enough trend lines as it is. And maybe we'll get rid of this one too. Yeah, that's good. That's good. They're just going to build out as we go, so then I don't have to draw them. I like it. I love it on the second chart. It's like, it's so dynamic. But yeah, I mean, look at this. This is a good setup. I'm going to save this template. And I got so many of these. Let's just call it whatever. 9. Just want to save it so I come back to that setup. All right, so we are rocking and rolling right now. Oh, here we go. Only got the 100 shares myself this time around, swinging for the fences. Bleeding on some crypto, XRP, CER, so down on those. Hoping AMC gets me back. Just hold on to your crypto, bro. Don't worry. That stuff's coming back around this like soon as hell. Don't even worry about it. AMC hits 100. We'll be in the black for the year. Okay. Yeah, because I mean, that's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping, because what is that, like 10 grand or whatever? I guess you're down 10 grand. Yeah, we gotta be black for the year. I am so happy right now. Like, I'm not selling this shit. I'm not selling it. I even posted it. I was like, I'm not fucking selling. I'm not selling. All right, symmetrical triangle. This could go either way. Usually up. If it's descending, it's going up. If it's rising, it's going down. If it's symmetrical, it's hit or miss. It really depends on where it ends up. It looks like this one's going down. It's on a 1 second though, so these are like super choppy. Hopefully it bounces off of this 200. I guess this will be the 200 second, since we're on a 1 second. But hold on 1 second. But anyway, like I was saying, we are rocking and rolling. Yeah, Mo. Listen, I hope we hit 100. I hope we hit 500. I hope we hit 1,000. It really, at this point, I'm not even making targets. I got no idea where this can go. Mathematically, I know a lot of our, our hodlmen like Matt, Coors, and Trey and all them are saying, we can go to whatever it is, thousands and all that. And then I forgot his name, but the dude from Beginner Trading, he was like, hoping for 50 to 100, thinks everybody's irresponsible saying it didn't go that high. I don't know. I mean, I think it could go as high as you want it to go. If 100% of it is owned and you set the price, because we're like 80, 90% owned and it's not being sold. So if they can't get shares, but they want the shares, then it goes for whatever you put it for. Huge interest on the $40 call option. If it breaks 40, price will go parabolic. I have four $40. Oh, no, wait, is it three? I have three $40 option calls. It's funny you call the $40 strike price. I got two $40 strikes for June 18 and one $40 strike for January 21st, 2022. That call option, oh, babe, all of my call options are way the hell up right now. My in the money call options, I got two for 19 for June 18th. They're up $1,500 right now. Just those two options. They have been red for months. I bought them months ago. My June 18th $40 strike price is up $700. I got two of those. I don't think I want to sell them because if this shit goes to $100, $200, I'm going to exercise those. I know I'm exercising the 19s. Like, I don't even want to sell them. They're worth $1,500 profit on top of whatever I spent on them. I think my total back would be, I don't know. I can't move it when it's looking at that. Bitcoin's flirting with 39,000. I'm not even going to look at it. This is AMC day right now. I don't even want to. I'm keeping BlackBerry up on my Ameritrade just because I want to dump out of that pain in the ass stock. Do they even make phones anymore? Like, stop using buttons. What are you doing? But I don't know. They're doing some crazy. They keep getting deals. They must have some sort of tech that is bomb. I haven't done my due diligence on BlackBerry. Listen, BlackBerry, GameStop, AMC, there was no due diligence. This is a movement, hedge funds are assholes, let's all buy it and hold it. That was what that was. Nokia too, and thank God I got out of that with I don't even know, a little bit of a profit. But BlackBerry's finally running along with the rest. GameStop kind of had, who's this? There's some asshole on Webull that keeps saying he's the best with he's got some good calls, but the holy cow, make that MF and money guy. Shut up. Asshole. Alright. He sends so many alerts. Alright, so I'll just turn that off. So BlackBerry, yeah. I mean, like I said, it's at $9.93. My market price is at $9.16, but I was so impatient and sold off so much that I'm still, even at $9.94 with a $9.16 market buy, I'm $169 down. And honestly, why don't you just roll that in and just say my price is freaking, it's got to be like 1030 or something. Like, say that's my break-even price, Ameritrade, you lazy assholes. Jesus. I don't know. All right, well, a little bit of a dump. We want to get back over 27 right now. Huge interest on the $40. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yo, if we break 40, I think that's like, I mean, we've already broke the last squeeze. The last squeeze is only to 25, I want to say. We're on a 1 second. It'll take me a freaking minute to, God, this is kind of messy, right? It's good though. These are good lines, but it's messy. Maybe I'll shut some more crap down. All right. I mean, I don't want to get rid of my trend lines, honestly, but is this all of them? Wow. That one does all those trend lines? So what do I even need these other ones for? Oh, that's actually, I like that. That's not nearly as annoying. And it's the same price as my auto wedges. Oh, I got auto wedges now. Listen, automate everything, your whole life. I mean, that's where we're all going. In 30 years, there'll be a robot holding your Johnson for when you pee. I can't wait if I'm alive. We'll see what happens. So here's an symmetrical triangle, was right here, broke in the downside. Then we went into a descending wedge, which is not labeled. It should be labeled over here. So descending wedge, going up, looked like that would have been a rising if it was more than a 1 second. And now we're just kind of playing within the fibs. And I love this dynamic Fibonacci retracement. I love it. I love it, and I love all this auto stuff. I love it. I suggest you try it for yourself. Hearing people saying hedgies may let it ride to 50 and short it on the dump. If people don't let them, then it won't happen like that. So that's the reality. Black Mirror type future. Yeah, if people hold on to their shares, then there's nothing they could do. So I know they keep borrowing shares, but once they get margin called and everyone holds on, we can go further. I mean, if that's a spot that some people want to get out, I mean, a lot of people are going to get out at 50. I mean, that's just, but you know, if people understand that this can go as high for as long as you can hold it, if you said to me, hold this, and the longer you hold it, the more it's going to go, I don't think I'd ever let it go. I'd be holding that shit in my casket. I'd be still holding on to it, because hold it, and the longer you hold it, the more it'll be worth. I'd never let it go. Like, I don't know. Maybe that's greed, whatever it is, but that's what I'm talking about. Oh my God, my account is the best it's been on Ameritrade in a year. Wow. I wish some of these other ones would follow suit. So yeah, you know, like I was saying, I really want to put some more out there for MotiveWave. You really want to get MotiveWave. It's just an amazing program. They haven't gotten back to me yet on a referral, but that's not really a big deal, I guess. I actually wanted to put my BlockFi. Do I have BlockFi as a link on my... Now, hold on 1 second. Let me take a look. I want as many references. Oh, I already have it. Of course I have it. All right, so let me back out of there. Let me take a look at my bot real quick. If you want to take a look at that. Here's my 3 commas bot. Right now, we're getting a little bit wrecked. Some red. But that's the whole point of dollar cost averaging, is to bring that down. Where's this video library at? Oh, it's in the Night Trader links. All right, I'm just going to close that for now. I'll deal with that later. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. If they want to mess with... If they want to mess with it at 50, I think that might be stupid for them. All right, doing pretty good. So the bot's doing good. Let's just get that out of the main screen. It slows it down. But we got everything up right now. If we want to look up any, you know, anything on tip ranks, we got tip ranks up. We got Benzinga Pro up, showing us all of our gainers over the regular session. We got our gainers and losers over the last 5 minutes of the regular session. Hold on 1 second, guys. Babe, where's Palantir at? I saw it broke 20. Still under? I thought it was on its way. We got up to 29 something. But, all right, well. So here's your gainers and losers. Here's your scanner. Here's your price spikes, option activities, block trades, halt resumes, highs and lows. Let me take the session highs and lows out real quick. Session, because they just take over the whole thing. I might even be able to, I mean, this is so wide. I might be able to double up on this. So let's get the session low out of there. Let me go back to my streaming section. But yeah, man, looks like I'm having some issues. I got a lot of stuff running right now. AMC is still, Elliott wave theory is still calling for a 5 wave ending at 28.57. And then hopefully we rise from there. So that's what's going on right now. It looks like we peaked at 29.76. That's what it says everywhere. AMC Friday $30 call sweeps near the ask. So their options are going like, here you go, Palantir, $15 puts near the ask at 734. SOS option alert call sweeps near the ask. There is a lot of option activity. $40 call sweeps. I have 3 $40 calls, 2 $19 calls. They are up a major amount. And we're at 27.75. We've already recovered from that 25 bounce. It's absolutely insane today. It is insane. Let me just go ahead, auto Elliott wave this again. I cannot wait to automate my trading to where I don't even have to look at it. That's really like, I kind of have crypto at that point. I still check on it constantly because I'm that kind of person, but like I could just leave it as long as there is enough money, and there should be enough money on it for the amount of bots I have running. I got 16 bots, so I think I have enough for all the dollar cost averaging orders, and it's just great to know that something's running, something's making you money, and you don't even have to look at it. There's something about that that just makes me, that just makes me happy. All right, so AMC just blasted out of the screen. All right, where are we now? Yeah, we're definitely, this momentum cannot be stopped. This momentum cannot be stopped. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my God. Do I even want my VPVR right now? I mean, I guess it's a good indicator. So if you're wondering how to use the VPVR, so I have 100 of these rows right now, right? So so let's just say it's not here right now, but let's say you have something that looks like this, and then something that looks like this up here. If the price breaks past this area and it goes through something like this with like minimal selling and all buying, it just literally flies from here to here in an instant. So like if we get to right here, we're going to fly. There's not really selling pressure. I mean, I'll have to look at the level 2s. I'll just take BlackBerry down, whatever. AMC. So it looks like because I dumped off 50 shares too early about a month ago of AMC. Oh my God. So profit and loss on open right now, just on the stocks, is 11,872. Let me go to my Wow, we're way past all the resistance lines that I drew during the first squeeze. My entire computer is getting slow for some reason. I don't have Weeble up. I know Weeble was dragging some stuff down, but are we too hot? We can't be too hot. I don't know. The computer's not having a happy day for whatever reason. Even my iPad was getting to be like 100 degrees. You would be the Skynet guy from Terminator with all your trust in AI. Yeah, yeah, man. I mean, when it comes to trading, listen, they're smarter than we are. I'm not going to have them wash me. I mean, I'd rather have a freaking I'd rather have a robot do almost everything, honestly. I mean, it's all about automation, and it's all about not doing it yourself. I don't want to have to do crap myself. I don't want to have to make the money. I want a robot to make the money. I have a GPU miner, and I look at it every day, and I smile a little bit. I talk to it sometimes, and I'm like, keep working. Keep working. There's something in my house that works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, giving me money. There's something about that concept that I just can't shake. It's just the way it's the way it's got to be. I guarantee you, it's just like owning a business. You got a business, you got workers running it. They're doing the work. You're making money off of that. Same thing. I don't have a business because I haven't found one that really, jives with me. But, that's why I'm trying. That's why when I get crypto, I put it into interest-bearing account. Or I get a proof of stake coin and I put it and I stake it. Gemini Earn has great programs. Coinbase has great programs. Celsius Wallet, BlockFi. All those links are in the description. You can join any of those things, take your crypto, put it in there, and make money. You can't do it with stocks. You can get dividend stocks, but they end up tying up so much capital that unless you have a ton of capital, which I get, if I have $100 million, I'm going to get some dividend stocks, of course. But I don't have that. So I got my interest-bearing accounts, and then, you know, randomly maybe I'll do something like a CLM or something and get 16 cents a share. But it's like, you know, if you're paying $12, $1,200, we'll get you 100 shares. That's what? That's, you know, $160. You know? That's not enough money. It's not enough money. So, anyway. So we're looking around. Yeah, I mean, I will be the Skynet guy. I don't give a shit. Listen, we're gonna get to that point. What's it called? What is it? The singularity? We're gonna get to the singularity. So let me pull that up. Since we already know what's going on, I'm not selling shit. AMC and GameStop. I will sell BlackBerry. Don't get me wrong. That's happening. As soon as this gets to some, I don't know, it was in the 10s and I was still down. I might just dump it for a tiny loss and just take back, what's in there? $2,200. It's a $180 loss. I might just say screw it because I'm sick of looking at it. But then tomorrow it'll be $20. I'll smack myself in the face. So the singularity. Hold on. I'm so backed up. There we go. All right. So the technology. So this is when computers basically get smarter than us. Do you cash out any profits from your investments for your everyday life, or living off the day job and waiting for a huge cash out? I do. Wait, hold on. I'm losing data. Yeah, I mean, I cash out. I don't actually, no, I don't pull any cash out. I try to survive on my job. If I do cash out of an investment, which, you know, outside, because at the end of the day, I just want AMC, GameStop, and HCMC in my portfolio. I want to get rid of everything else and then just day trade from there. And once that happens, I'll probably just keep rolling it over. But yeah, I haven't pulled money out of crypto. I haven't taken dollars out of crypto or stocks yet. It's still all in there. And I just roll it over because the whole point is to build it, because the more you invest, the more you make. So, you know, that's how I was able to get past the PDT rule finally. I built it up past that, and now we're still going. And I'm almost double that right now, which is insane. And honestly, AMC is like 1/4 of that. I got a bunch of dogs, and then AMC and GameStop. So, but there's a few positions. I'm going to exit a couple positions. I just don't want them. I don't want to sit on this crap anymore. Like, I got some stuff. I got this thing, KTRA. It's got a price target of $4. I'm only $5 down, but as soon as I hit break even, I'm just going to get rid of it. I don't want any more crap in my portfolio. I want my cash back. And I want to sit there and watch GameStop, watch my options, watch AMC, watch HCMC for their lawsuit. And then just day trade stocks, get in and out real quick. You know, that's what I want to do. And I don't know, like, just to get to your original question, I am waiting for a huge cash out. Like, once there's 8 figures in there, I'll take a figure out. And if I don't get to that point, then it's never going to come out, I guess. Then I guess it'll die with me. You know, unless my girlfriend could get to it, because she could just turn on the computer and just, my password's already in there, which she's right here, so she knows. I told her if I ever die, get to my phone and put it in front of I changed my phone so that my eyes don't have to be open for you to open it, because I'm not one of those people that needs locks on their phones. I don't give a shit. You want to look at my phone, look at it. There ain't nothing on there that matters. So, and she ain't really jealous anyway, but. Or love me, but I'm just joking. I'm just joking. But yeah, I told her if I ever die, put the phone in front of my face and switch it to her face, so that, because you can't not have that lock on for whatever reason, and to because that's got all my what do you call it, my authenticator stuff, and then you could basically go through my computer and find all my accounts. And I was like, just get in there as quick as you can and send it all to yourself, because I'll be dead, so I won't be able to do it. Let's see. So AMC is still killing it. I really love this indicator because it's like, I love indicators that teach you crap while you're doing it. So it's just showing you, it's not, where actually is the wedge? It's not drawing them for some reason. Or maybe it's drawing them and I'm not seeing it. Let me back out of this trend line function. Where are the triangles? I don't see the triangles anywhere. Maybe they can't draw themselves on a 1 second. I'm thinking that's the issue. Is this the trend line I want? Which one do I want? I like this one. Oh, that might be overkill. We'll get rid of that. Alright, so we'll just leave those on. It's not going to be able to draw the triangles because it's moving too fast. But I love it moving like this. It's just fun to watch, especially when something like this is happening. Don't be afraid of this. By the way, this is 1 second. This is all 1 bar. So we just put it on the 1 second because we got that premium on TradingView. Which is, it's like one of the only things you get. They're like, oh, for 300 more, you can put it on a 1 second. It's like, thanks. Honestly, if you use TradingView, like, you really don't even need to pay for it. You get 3 indicators, and that's really good enough. I'm a lunatic. I'm always trying. I just want every edge I can get, so I literally try everything. I really like these all together. That's why this is whacked. But, like, you know, I can go minimalistic. I could go with just moving averages. I need something, though. Like, I'll need at least a 21, a 50, and a 200, and a VWAP. I don't see a VWAP right here. It's got to be so high or low that we can't even see it. Yeah, I bet it's really low. There it is. It's at $23. I thought it wasn't even on the chart. You can't even see the friggin' thing. This is probably going to be easier for you guys to see, but I don't know. I like this better. What do you like better, Mo? Oh, wait. It looks like I see you saying something. It keeps warning me about my resolution. I changed the resolution, and now it's still warning me. Like, I changed it already. That's why it looks so much. It looks so much better. It actually looks like a computer screen and not a TV anymore. Okay, we're hopefully moving soon, selling our apartment and moving to a house. Tried to persuade the wife to put 10K into crypto. So glad she didn't, as Bitcoin tanked the day after last week. Yeah, man. But listen, get a little bit. Get a little bit. If you got that amount of money, like let's say you got 10K, throw a little bit in periodically on Gemini using my link below. And then put it into Gemini Earn. Although that's for Americans. But I got plenty of crap down there. You could find one. Go to Celsius. You know what? Get a little bit. Get a little bit. Because you should definitely get it. Listen, Bitcoin's going to 70, 80, 100, more. Ethereum's going to 10, more. Not financial advice. Just my opinion. It's going to that. So get a little bit. Just get a little bit. Put it into something that earns interest and forget about it. And do it, you know, don't do a 10,000. That's what like one of my friends does. I bought, 20,000 worth. I'm like, why the hell would you do that all at once? If you have 100 million, yeah, do that. Do that. But if you're working with 10,000, like if I'm working, let's say with 10,000, I'm doing 100 at a time or 200 or 500 at most. Because you don't know which way it's going, and maybe you'll miss out on something, but you're always going to miss out on something. So I'm gonna go risk management instead, So take that 10K and throw in 25, 50 at a time. Not financial advice. I guarantee it'll pay off for you. When I was buying Bitcoin at $3,000 and everybody was, laughing at me, who's laughing now? It is what it is. And then, it's funny if we saw these memes now of us being like, oh no, it's down to 30K like a year and a half ago, we'd be like, what? When it was sitting at 8, actually like 6-7 months ago, not even. So it just goes to show you where it can go. And all these people and Kevin O'Leary's in it. As soon as Kevin O'Leary gets into something, you're straight. Like, that the due diligence has been done. The due diligence has been done. So we're just watching AMC. I mean, this is really an AMC watching it day. Let me take a look. We're up over 28, but just getting banged right here at the 28 mark. I love this thing, so I'm going to leave that open for you. Let me just move this out of the way. Let me just double check my bot because crypto is doing pretty well right now. It looks like everybody's correlated right now. Like both markets are correlated. The stock market's doing well, crypto's doing well. Stock market's doing bad, crypto's doing bad. Right now we are positively correlated. We'll see when it goes the opposite direction. But not right now. They're both doing well. Stop warning me about my resolution. Okay. The 10K was part of the house purchase money with the idea being a quick swing to get 10 to 30% out and add in the overall house. Oh, if that's your house money, then just use it for your house, man. Yeah, you don't want to mess around because at the end of the day, sure thing, long term or not, it's still a bet. It can go, you know, not your way. You never know. The world, we can go, you know, you could be in a war somehow or something like that. Something can happen. So if that's the money for your house, don't mess with it. You know, you don't want to mess with anything that isn't, we banged past 28. We're at 28.39. Oh, I wish this was a day trade for me right now. I got to be honest. My bot would be eating this up. It'd be like buy, sell. Where's Super Trend? Is Super Trend on here? Buy, sell, buy. There's going to be a sell any second. Hold on. Where is it? Where is it? Any second. Come on. If you're not selling yet. Oh, it knew. Oh, it's still going. It's going up. Up. There's the doji. Nope. Not reversing. A doji means nothing on a 1 second, apparently. Oh, this is still riding. Wow. Wow. I love this. This is beautiful. 28.64. There's the sell. I was waiting for it. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red bars, and then we got the sell. But yeah, if you were auto trading on this right now, you'd be freaking banking. I'm trying to figure out how to use. I actually have figured it out how to use it on Motive Wave, but Motive Wave still getting there. I've decided though that I'm keeping TradingView because Motive Wave is more of like it has its own things that it does, and yes, you could probably. I've tried whatever predictive Elliott wave, that was my main thing, but it has other stuff on there that is just different, and I just like having both options. I'm not getting any more, and I've already paid for Motive Wave for life. I own it now, so I don't have to pay yearly like I do with TradingView, but you can't not have TradingView. You just can't. It's too dynamic. I learned how to do everything on TradingView. It's like, you know, the first thing I look at every day. All right, so Bitcoin and the total market cap to crypto is doing pretty well. They're in a consolidation phase, although this is a 1 second chart. But yeah, let's just not even worry about this. Let's just get this on a singular chart. This has, let's try this with our new chart 9. So much cleaner. And we could turn off some of these. Turn that off. All right, now it's clean. All right, now it's clean. It's on a 30 second. Let's put that back to the 1 second, and let's go back to Bitcoin on Bitstamp. All right, so now that'll be running. This is probably why my computer is going so slow today. Plus, we have our significant trades on Bitcoin, which at any point will load up. And there's that. Here's your longs and your shorts. Shorts are trying to take over right now, obviously. An amazing resource if you don't have it. I suggest you use it. And it's aggr.trade. That's it. That's all you need. Just Google aggr.trade. It's aggregating all of the different, what do you call them? Brokerages, and just averaging the price out, and then taking the logs and the shorts from all of them and showing you, you know, the volume of it, so you could see which direction. It's really great for direction. And if you're in a trade, you can kind of start a trade from it, but you better really hope you're fast, because it'll turn on you real quick. I've been looking at KTRA. Let me take a look at that real quick. Let's see. Where's the things I wanted to get out of? I stopped paying attention to them. Oh, predictive oncology is still sitting at 114. It's like 4 cents under. How much am I down? I'm only $50 down, but there's not that much in it, so it's not worth taking a loss on. Shift Pixie, I thought was going to do a lot more. That dude's been getting interviewed left and right, the CEO of that, but it's not doing anything. KTRA, I'm only $3 away. I might actually be able to break out in a profit on that one. I want to get out of that. I want to get out of as many plays as possible. Just got an alert from Wall Street Alerts, or a text, and it says, let's see. It says, oh no, that's Best Buy. Screw you, Best Buy. I can't get a GPU. I'll look at that. It's just like what we were talking about. Wall Street Alert. Put the stock on your screen quick. AI is changing the game in massive ways, and with products and services backed by Amazon's network, this stock could move fast. Then it has me click a link, which is a pain. The ticker is MTRX. Is this an over-the-counter? I don't know. If you want to look into it, MTRX. I don't feel like dealing with it. Loop Insights. Whatever. I'll keep those up for now. Alright, I was looking at silver bullion last night. Alright, let's go back. I just want to keep my Thinkorswim up. Alright, so nobody else is talking except for Mo. I'm happy that you're here. If you have any questions, go ahead, leave them in the chat. Mo, you know that you're my boy. You got anything you want to go over, let me know. You just want to chill, let me know. You want me to play some music, let me know. We're at 28.35 on AMC right now, and we are rocking and rolling. We don't see any signs of slowing down. I think we're going to break 30 by the end of the day, or by after hours. That's my call right now. We were at 19.99. We closed out yesterday. If that's not shady, I don't know what is. But I'm going to go ahead and take a break real quick. I got to go to the bathroom, get some coffee. I'll be back in a few minutes. If you have any questions, you just go ahead and leave those in the chat, and I will be right back.